into different categories, like perching birds. Sparrows and other perching birds have long, slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They use these toes to hold firmly onto a branch or a wire. Birds of prey. Kites, eagles, and hawks have strong and sharp claws to hold their prey while flying, and also to tear the flesh off the animal. Swimming birds. Ducks and penguins have webbed feet where skin joins their toes. This makes their feet like paddles. Wading birds. Cranes and storks have long, thin legs and wide, spreading toes. These toes help the birds to walk in the shallow waters. Scratching birds. Hens have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw with which it scratches the ground in search of food in the soil.